Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla smoothie at home. Start by gathering milk, vanilla, yogurt, banana, ice, and a sweetener. Place everything in a blender in this order. Liquids first, then soft fruits, then ice. Blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until velvety. Pour into a tall glass, garnish with a vanilla bean or a sprinkle of cinnamon, and enjoy immediately for the best texture and flavor. I will explain simple ingredient swaps and tips for your vanilla smoothie. Choose dairy or plant milk like almond or oat depending on texture preference. Use Greek yogurt for extra protein or a dairy-free alternative for vegan options. Sweeten with honey, agave, or a date if you prefer natural sugars. Consider adding 1 tablespoon nut butter or 1 tablespoon chia seeds for texture and nutrition without overpowering the vanilla profile. I will help you achieve the perfect vanilla smoothie texture with a few blending tricks. Begin on low to break up fruit, then ramp to high for 30 seconds to create a creamy, uniform mix. If the smoothie is too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk at a time until desired consistency is reached. Serve immediately in a chilled glass and enjoy with a straw or spoon for maximum satisfaction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.